This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Adamant Mint Pokémon Sword Easy Guide. Open the Battle Tower reward line, earn points, and unlock the Mint vendor as soon as possible. Focus on consistent runs to accumulate currency quickly and trade for mints when they appear. Keep an eye on specific vendor inventories and special event rewards, since those often restock high-value mints you need for competitive builds. To locate an Adamant Mint, first prioritize Battle Tower runs because that shop often rotates rare items. Complete rewards tiers and focus on consistent point gains to reach the vendor threshold quickly. Also scan event battle rewards and post-game merchants, as mints appear in different places across updates and inventories. Save your currency for confirmed mint appearances to avoid missing the opportunity when the vendor finally lists the Adamant Mint. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker I mentioned has been great for background music while grinding for mints, and it adds fun ambience to long sessions. I put the link and other deals in the description so you can check them out anytime. Thanks for the support, and now, let's get back to the video. A solid strategy is to farm Battle Tower with a consistent team that wins quickly, which yields steady points and speeds up mint access. Always save your game before inspecting vendor stock, so you can reload if you don't find the mint you want. If you prefer a community route, consider trading with other players who value different mints, and be clear about what you offer to make swaps fair and fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.